Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about clothes I really miss while being pregnant. I just filmed another video sitting right here, but it is so tiring for me to get ready and actually film. I'm just going to keep filming and pumping videos out for as long as I can today, so that's what's happening. These are either clothes that I just don't think look good on me right now with my belly, or I just don't have any that fit with my belly, and I don't know why. I am very against buying maternity clothes. I just don't feel like spending money on clothes that I'm gonna wear for like 2 months, because it's not even like 9 months you're gonna be wearing these clothes. Like, your body changes every week. So that's my 2 cents on maternity wear. Okay, let's just get into it. So a lot of these I am surprised that I miss so much, and I just thought it'd be like fun to see like what I was gravitating towards the most before I was pregnant. And I'm also going to do like the vice versa of this video, where I talk about clothes that I surprisingly don't miss while being pregnant. Getting dressed every day, I just think about these items and how I would very much like to wear them again, and I can't wait to wear them again. So the first thing are jeans. And I know so many people just like hate jeans, but the ease of being able to put on a pair of jeans and anything on top, basically, I miss that so much. My only pants that fit right now that aren't sweatpants are a pair of gingham pants and a pair of striped pinstripe pants that are like pajama pants. And even though those are so cute and I love them, you still have to kind of like put thought into what is going on top. And honestly, just with any pants while being pregnant, you kind of have to put on thought of what's going on top, because I am not somebody who really likes my pregnant belly just out in the open. I didn't like my pre-pregnancy belly out in the open, not because of like I don't like my belly. Like, I love my pregnant belly and I liked my belly before. I'm just not comfortable with having like that much skin showing. So I just miss putting on jeans and like this sweater and a pair of loafers and having it be like just such a freaking cute look. Or putting on jeans and a hoodie, a crew neck, and a pair of sneakers, and that being a look. Oh, I miss it so much. So yeah, jeans. And especially going more into like fall, I miss jeans so much. The next thing are my cargo pants. If you guys were following me before I was pregnant, you probably would have seen these green Abercrombie cargo pants. I was literally wearing the absolute crap out of them, and for good reason. They're so cute. They're another pair of pants that I felt like I could just put anything on top. It was just like having pants that are not printed worked so well. But there's something about just like an elastic waist pant that is just one color that gives scrub. So like scrubs, not scrub. The cargo pants are very much missed. I miss dressing them up and dressing them down, and I can't wait to have them back. And the pockets, because my gingham little pants don't have pockets, so I miss pockets so much. Next thing I really miss are midi skirts. I had a denim midi skirt that I could wear up until like 6 months pregnant, which was nice, but then I started having to wear it unbuttoned, which it's just not as comfortable. But then also just like my elastic waist midi skirts, they still fit, but I just don't really like how any of my tops look with them. They give very much like Amish when I put them on now with like a baggy top, when before I could wear my little midi skirt, a baggy sweater like this, and for some reason it just didn't feel Amish. But now having like my bump feels Amish, which is just like, it shouldn't at all. Maybe my style has just changed, but I swear it used to look cute and now it just like is weird. The next thing I really miss are suit vests. I was super into suit vests last summer and last fall, and they're just so cute, and like it feels just like putting on a tank top or something, but they're so much more stylish. I was thrifting little boys suit vests, but also I had a few thrifted like women's suit vests that just fit so perfectly. So of course they don't fit now. Or the one, like I have one denim vest that fits right now, suit vest. Like my belly just pops out a little too much for me, for my liking. So wearing a suit vest with like a trench over it, or even kind of a blazer, I think is so cute. Suit vest, and then having a varsity jacket on top. I just like love the super preppy look of the vest, and I miss it. So I can't wait to start wearing those again. The next thing I miss, which I don't think that this is like a universal thing for pregnant people, but they're knee-high boots. I have obviously gained quite a bit of weight, and I don't know if it's swelling in my calves or if it's from my weight gain, but my calves do not zip up in my knee-high boots anymore. And especially again, now that it's coming to fall time, like I want to put on my knee-high boots and I cannot zip them past my calves. So it's really upsetting. And I really hope my calves go back to normal, because I want to be able to wear my leather boots, and like, you know, I've curated my vintage leather boots already, so I don't know what I'll do if they don't fit. I'll just never wear them again, but I really miss them. The next thing I really miss are rings. I used to be somebody who wore rings all the time, and again, I'm just swelling up and getting bigger, and all my rings are too tight. I bought a few pair from, you know, just like cheap ones, and I forget how fast they turn your fingers green, so I took those off and I was like, whatever, I just won't wear rings right now. I miss just like the constant accessory of rings. Don't take these things for granted, people. And the last thing I really miss is my Orson Iris top. If you guys know, I got this around last Christmas, and I literally wore the crap out of it. Everybody was like, the way you wear that Orson Iris top, like, you style it with absolutely everything, and they are not wrong. So before like my belly stopped fitting in it, I had to get a size medium because I have bigger boobs already. But then once getting pregnant, my boobs would not fit into this top, and I was so upset. So I just know I have a long time until this Orson Iris top fits me again, and there's no way I'm getting rid of it. It's sitting in my closet. I will literally wait until I'm 80 years old if I have to wear it again, because I plan on breastfeeding. My boobs will probably just get bigger, so yay. Yeah, so I really miss my Orson Iris top though. But that's it. This was a little quick video, and I just kind of wanted to talk about things I miss, and maybe you heard one of these things and you're like, oh, I have that in my closet and I haven't worn it in a while. Go put it on, do me a favor, wear it, style it, because I'm jealous that I can't right now. That's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.